I'm trying to find out the reason for this car's poor running. At the moment, we've had an exhaust camshaft sensor fault, which even though I've swapped the exhaust to the inlet, it stays here. And we've got a potentiometer problem on the throttle. The throttle's down here. I've just tried to take the spark plugs out. Well, so these are the coil packs. So firstly, the only one that's come out whole is number 3, and there is oil down there. The others are in bits. So these coil packs are all pretty shot and stuck in there. I can't get the spark plugs out without removing them, so that's going to be the next interesting challenge. I'm now doing a compression test. So compression on number 1 is actually rather good. That's 230 psi. Number 2 compression is also 220. Compression on number 3 is 230. Number 4 compression is 220, 225. So all good compression across the range. What I'm going to do is put 4 replacement coil packs in the second hand. They are supplied by us, and I'll just see if this makes a difference to the running of the car. Coil packs are in. I'm going to start the car. Let's see what we get this time. Right, we still have a misfire. With our new coil packs, we've got misfires on 1 and 2. I did actually swap the coil packs from 1 and 2 to 2 and 4, and the misfires remain on 1 and 2. So I'm now going to change these spark plugs around. So the spark plugs have been moved. 1 and 2 spark plugs went into 3 and 4. We've still got misfires on 1 and 2 here. Right, so right now I'm looking for a spark. That's the spark plug there, connected to the coil pack. We've got no spark on number 1, and I expect the same to be on number 2. No spark on number 2 either. So that's your misfire problem. Is either wiring loom, it could be this distributor thing, but there's an electrical problem on this car stopping the spark.